I'm standing in Aria at Silverstone, what is the latest development coming from Khov Homes here in North Scottsdale. And this that you see behind me is the future home site of what I think are going to be one of the best townhomes in the area. And let me tell you why. And that starts off with location, location, location. Now there's a lot of other developments in the area, so there's gonna be a lot of competition. But let me tell you what makes these differently. And that is that the plot of land that this is on is the last piece of land that is actually right here being developed in Silverstone. So that means that you won't be competing with other builders or even other building residents from the same developer that are gonna be blocking your mountain views. What you get here is what you see. Now I'm standing about 2 or 3 miles above the 101, and I like it because you still have that easy highway access, but you're not dealing with the highway noise or any of that stuff. So to tell you a little bit more about the actual development, what we have here is 4 different models. And what I did was I actually went in and I took a tour, a virtual tour, and they gave me all of the information that I needed about what is gonna be happening here and what makes this different and what makes it a good buy. And what also makes it the best development that Khov has actually done in Arizona. You know what they did? They went ahead and they reviewed and they said, hey, look, you know, we build other developments out here. Can you guys tell us kind of some of the things that you think we could do better? And what they did is they took all of that information and they made sure that they made these the best possible development that they have made up to date. These are gonna be bigger. They're gonna be starting off at 3 bedrooms. You're gonna have bigger yard spaces. You're gonna have better community amenities. And all of that is gonna be starting off for the low price of around $900,000. Yes, you heard that, $900,000. It's gonna go all the way up to 1.2, 1.3 million. But as you know that right now is the best time to get a deal on any of these new builds, because as they keep developing and as they keep building, they're going to keep increasing the prices. Now there's only going to be about 100 of these units. They've already sold 13 of them, and they're already expecting move-in anywhere between September, October, likely I would actually say November. As I'm seeing behind me, as I've always said, I like to come to see the sites by myself. I don't like to hide behind a computer screen. And right now there's no framing or anything, so we're definitely still got some work and some room to go. Now you can start securing these for as little as $30,000 down, and they're giving up to 5% in closing costs when you use their preferred mortgage lender. Now, I'm a fan of all the development that is going on here, but I think this is one of the hidden gems, again, because it's just a little bit further away. It's only about 2 or 3 miles from the 101, and while I do like the convenience access of it, this one just features a little bit more privacy. The appreciation in this community specifically will be through the roof because, like I said, there won't be any more new developments by. On the other side, we do have some power lines, so they're not gonna make a community on top of the power lines. In the Cardinals practice facility, it's only about 2 lights away. Now, that's all I have for you guys for this quick update video. I will be coming back out here every week, every couple of weeks, just to keep getting more updates and seeing what they have going on. Now, before I end this video, I did want to tell you about my contingency program and my rebate program. I will make it very, very brief. All of the details are below. Go ahead and click the link below to get more details on how it works. But essentially is what we're doing is, look, we're wanting to put more money back in your pocket, and we're giving up to $10,000 rebates that you can get back as closing costs when you purchase one of these homes. Or if you have a home to sell, I can list your home for 1% and you can use the rest of that money and roll it into this one. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead, click the link below, fill out all your information. I'll reach out to you with everything that you need to know about the details about the rebate program. With that being said, I am Derek Perez, your local Phoenix realtor. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one.